Click on the link below to get price. The BlackBerry Passport is a unique offering in the smartphone market, combining a distinctive design with a rich feature set aimed primarily at productivity-focused users. The device's 4.5-inch square touchscreen is striking, allowing for a comfortable viewing experience that is ideal for reading documents, browsing the web, or reading emails. The 1440 by 1440 resolution ensures sharp text and vibrant colors, making it a pleasure to use for extended periods. One of the standout features is its physical keyboard, which, although not the first of its kind, has been expertly integrated into a touch-sensitive design. The keys are well-spaced and provide satisfying tactile feedback, making typing a breeze. For those who rely heavily on messaging and emailing, this feature alone is a significant advantage over many contemporary smartphones that favor all-touch interfaces. The Passport is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 processor, coupled with 3 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking and running demanding applications. The 32 GB internal storage is expandable via a microSD slot, allowing users to store large files, photos, and apps without concern. Camera quality is impressive, with a 13MP rear camera that captures detailed images with vibrant colors. The camera performs well in various lighting conditions, making it suitable for capturing everyday moments or important events. The 2MP front-facing camera is adequate for video calls and selfies, though it doesn't quite match the standards set by more recent devices. Battery life is another strong point, with a 3,450 mAh battery providing all-day performance, even for heavy users. The device supports quick charging, ensuring that users can top up their battery without long waits. Overall, the BlackBerry Passport is an excellent choice for professionals and productivity enthusiasts. Its unique design, robust keyboard, and solid performance make it a compelling alternative to the ubiquitous touchscreen smartphones that dominate the market today. While it may not appeal to everyone, those who prioritize functionality over trendiness will find it to be a refreshing and efficient tool.